Good day, everyone. My name is Michaelvin Arlumakad from BSES 1B. This time, I'll be discussing the nature of modern dance and contemporary dance. Now, if we talk about modern dance, it is a style that completely devoid of all the restrictions imposed by a classical ballet. The body moves with free interpretations, originating from the inner emotions of the dancer. Modern dance, born at the beginning of 20th century, it represents the rebellion of those artists who did not accept only the classic performances, costumes, and footwear. In fact, if we talk about modern dance costume, we see a real revolution. Talking about contemporary dance, it is a genre of concert dance dating back on the 20th century. It can be defined as an evolution of modern dance and ballet, latter strictly non-classical. This kind of dance includes the different techniques such as floor work, fall, recovery, improvisation, and even the integration of disciplines such as yoga, pilate, and the martial arts. It is a part of the new contemporary performing arts, and its goal is to distance itself from the formality and rigidity of the classical canons of ballet in order to return its essential function that is to communicate and express. Although they are two seemingly very similar dance styles, in this form of modern dance, there are very obvious differences. Modern dance, it is a style deprived of the restrictions of classical ballet, focuses on free interpretations derived from inner emotions, while contemporary dance, it is a specific genre of concert dance concerns non-choreographic movements influenced by a compositional philosophy. So that's all for today's discussion. Thank you and God bless.